Welcome to video 2 in procedural generation in Unity Game Engine. This video is on vertices. So now we will write the code that will generate the 3D model. There are 3 parts to making a 3D model in code. First are the vertices. These are the coordinates of the model, all of its points in 3D space. Second are the triangles. These are the polygons or surfaces of the 3D model. Third and finally are the UVs. These are the two-dimensional coordinates on the image that we put onto the surface of our 3D model. This video is specifically about the vertices. Here is a drawing of the 3D model that we want to create with all of the vertices labeled. It starts here with 0, then goes 1, 2, 3, 4, then goes up here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have 10, 11, 12, and 13. Vertices are 3-part coordinates. They have an X, Y, and Z axis. Y goes up and down in Unity. X is side to side. Z is forward and backward. This point here is the origin. It's best to have this in the bottom center of your model. With this very simple model, I was able to just draw it on paper and determine the coordinates with my mind. But it is often a good idea to use 3D modeling software like Blender to design this, just to help get the correct coordinates. So now we will enter these vertices into the code. Back in the Unity editor, we make sure our cube is selected in the hierarchy. Then in the inspector, now we double click on the procedural mesh script name here in the inspector, and that will open our script in Visual Studio. This is the template script that Unity gives you. We are going to write all of our code into the start method. Code in between these brackets only runs once at the beginning of the game before the first frame loads. So now I will start typing the coordinates from the drawing. First, I need to declare an array of vector 3s, which are 3-part coordinates. I do that by typing vector 3 array cube vertices. That's just the name that we choose. Equals new vector 3 array with 14 elements in it because we have 14 vertices. Now we type in each vertice. So we say cube vertices. That's the name of our array. And we say element number. So this is the first element in our array of 14. This one equals, if you get a suggestion like that, you can just press escape to dismiss it. New vector 3. So we're making a new coordinate. And the coordinate is 1, 0, -1. So this is X, Y, and Z. So the middle one is the up, down. X is side to side, and Z at the end is forward and back. And now we just repeat this line with all the other vertices. But just replace the element number with the appropriate element number and these vertices with the appropriate vertices. So this is what it looks like with all 14 vertices typed in. And that completes the section on vertices. Next video, we will program the triangles.